Here we have a Hindu temple and a Buddhist temple. Bring lots of energy with you if you come to the Goa temple here in Ubud Bali. It's worth it. It's beautiful. It's definitely worth it. Come see what it's like to visit the elephant temple at Ubud. It's absolutely beautiful here. The entry cost is 50,000 Indonesian rupiah, cash only. You must dress modestly. There is a Hindu and a Buddhist temple here. You must wear the supplied purple sarong too. This temple is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I'm going all the way down there. This temple is just 15-minute drive from Ubud village in Bali, Indonesia. All right, I cannot pronounce the name of this temple properly. I can pronounce the Goa bit, but I can't pronounce the second bit properly. And as my guide just said, it's quite a few steps on the way in to get down there. But have a look. Hi, I'm Linda. I'm here as a travel guide, so you know what to expect. Can plan your travels for a better experience, to travel better. So here we have a Hindu temple and a Buddhist temple. So right now I'm in the Hindu temple section. And I'm going to go into the elephant cave very shortly. It's right here behind me. The holy water springs down here. This place was built in the 9th century and it served as a sanctuary. There are actually fish down there in that very shallow water.
For Hindu and Buddhist, they use for Buddhist. Hindu complex and down there Buddhist complex.
Yes, the other guide was just telling me.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you're interested to know deeper about the temple, I accompany you, explain you what the meaning when the temple built or the temple used.
Lost and buried for many years, this cave was rediscovered by Dutch archaeologists in 1923. But the fountains and the pool there were not discovered until 1954. The cave contains lingam and yoni, symbols of Shiva, and the image of Ganesh. There's the elephant. It's actually very hot inside this cave. It's very smoky from the incense. It's very hot.
in Bali, yeah, between we eat.
Oh, there's fish in here too. How pretty. Hello. No thank you.
You can see Buddha down also. Buddha temple. Come back, yeah? Later.
Maybe. There are a few buildings here to explore a bit. There's a little marketplace here too. The ladies have lots of fresh fruit. So now I'm going to go from the Hindu temple that's on my left to the Buddhist temple that's on my right, down there. So we're going to go down here. It says Buddha temple. We go all the way down those steps in that beautiful jungle. You can hear the water flowing down there, and it looks a long way down. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's keep going down. Look at this magnificent tree. Down steps and up steps. It is beautiful walking down in this valley. This jungle is amazing, as are all the man-made bits and pieces. That's not very technical, is it? I think this pond is empty. Absolutely beautiful here. Can have one last look from up here. Bring lots of energy with you if you come to the Goa temple here in Ubud Bali. Oh, there's a lot of steps. A lot of steps down and up. And after all day I've been walking steps up and down various places, it's worth it. It's beautiful. It's definitely worth it. Enjoy the journey out there. Stay safe in your travels. Exit through the gift shop. Lots of shopping on the way out. And remember to return the sarong. Exit this side to more shops. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to help support me in my channel growth, and tell me that you like it so I can keep making these videos. Thank you. Please subscribe for more travel vlogs and travel guides. Happy traveling, travel safe, and enjoy the journey.